The Meghalaya College Principals Council on Tuesday held its annual general meeting at Synod College. Shillong Lok Sabha MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon graced the occasion as the chief guest, while Commissioner and Secretary in charge of Education Department Vijay Kumar was the guest of honour. The Mcpc also felicitated 6 of the principals of the colleges who have retired and the colleges who have the NAC accreditation. Speaking on the occasion, Sinkon said that the principals of the colleges are custodian of knowledge and architect of the future generation.
The college, I understand, it is no small feat. It requires vision, resilience, and also the ability to inspire not just students, but also the faculty and staff, and at the same time striving for excellence in every aspect of academic and even personal or personality development.
The voice of the